To complete a monthly report, the first thing you will need to do is sign into the OC Vanpol website using your email and the password you created. You should automatically be directed to the new monthly report page. If you do not see this page, click on the New Report tab. Each time a new report is created, you are required to verify the accuracy of the Vanpol schedule, route, and passenger list. Click Update Schedule if changes need to be made. Once you're done, click Save and Continue and go back to the New Report tab. Next, review your route to confirm that it is still accurate. If you need to make a change, click Update Route. Once you're done, click Save and Continue below this page and go back to the New Report tab. Now scroll down to review your passenger list. If you need to add or delete a passenger, click Update Passenger List. To add a passenger, click Add New Member to Vanpol. Enter all information and confirm that you have their correct email address. A participant agreement will be emailed to them to sign electronically, and you will not be able to report their rides until they have signed their participant agreement online. Enter the date that they will first ride in the van, and then click Save. You will be notified by email when your passenger has signed their participant agreement so that you can log back in to complete your report. To delete a passenger, click on the Remove button, enter the date they last commuted in the van, and when you're done, click on the New Report tab. After reviewing the information and making any necessary corrections, click the checkmark box to confirm that all information above is correct for your route. Then select the month and year from the drop-down menu to indicate the report you would like to start, and then click Create. This will take you to the ridership calendar for the month selected. Select the first date your group started riding in the van for the month by clicking on the date of the month. Confirm the travel time to and from work, and then confirm the distance traveled to and from work. Click who rode in and out that day, and when you're done, click Save and Continue, and the next day will be available for you to report. Continue to report until you have finished reporting passenger trips for the entire month. Then click on the month view and click the blue arrow below the calendar to proceed to the expense report. A popular feature is the desktop view. You can access this option by clicking on the report menu and selecting desktop view from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the ridership calendar page, but click on the Vehicles tab first to report your ending odometer reading for the month. Enter the ending odometer reading of the van on the last day of the month when the group arrived at their final destination. Click Save, and you will see a blue banner at the top confirming that the odometer was entered successfully. Then click Next. The next page is the ridership page. Go to the top of the report and select the ride code that applies to everyone on that day, and then click OK to the pop-up message. Use ride code 2 to indicate which passengers rode on the van round trip that day, and use ride code D to indicate which individuals did not ride on the van that day. Continue to report each day until all participation has been reported for the entire month, and then click Save, and you will see a blue banner at the top confirming that the ridership data has been saved. When you're done, click Next. Now you will see the travel time and distance calendar for the month you're reporting for. The green squares represent the days that have been reported for. If you want to make any changes, you can click the back button on your browser to go back, but remember to click Save if any changes were made. If no changes need to be made, click Next to proceed to the expense reporting section. Click on the expense type drop-down menu. If you choose fuel as an expense, indicate the fuel type in the next drop-down menu, and then enter the number of gallons, the total cost, any necessary comments, and then click Add. Use 1 for all quantities except for fuel. Enter the total cost of the expense and then click Add. If you made an error, click Delete and re-add the expense you want to correct. Click Save when you have entered all expenses, and you will see a blue banner at the top confirming that the changes have been made. Then click Next. Click on the statement that applies to your Vanpol to indicate if you used one van or if you had a van switch and used more than one van during the reporting month. Then checkmark the box below to indicate that your passenger list is correct and that all information in this report is complete and accurate. Then click Submit. Please note that once a monthly report is submitted, you are not permitted to go back to make any changes or updates. You will see a blue banner confirming that you have successfully reported for your group. If you need any assistance, please email vanpol@octa.net or call 560-5588. Thank you for choosing OC Vanpel.